Captain, I'm Shemar Green, captain of Boyz FC.
Alright, Shemar. What's your mentality right now going to this game? That's the first question. How are you mentally focused for this game?
Well, I'm mentally ready, and so is the team. Fully focused in training. Can see that the players are ready.
We just spoke with the coach, and the coach said you guys are pushing him. In the semi-final, is this your first semi-final of this nature?
Well, no, play semi-final. Was last season we dropped out of semi-final. Real Mona beat with 2-1. Yeah, so no.
So that means that this semi-finals you'll be looking for a bit of revenge. Not the same opponent, but you want to push further this time around. Do you think that the team have the mental preparation and also the ability to push past the semi-finals?
Well, yes. Team, as I said before, the team mentally ready. Can see it in the training, vibes there and everything. So we are coming for revenge.
Alright, so so far what do you think about your season in general? Who well have you been playing, and what do you think about the team, or have the team helped you to be the player that you are today?
Yeah, well, my season it's a bit up and down because the injury. Sometimes I've been a few knock grind injury. So more there for out, come off certain game. Me and the coach try to push me. Try to push me more harder, try come back in, work on it. Medical team work on it and grind injury, so can come back. Yeah.
Alright, so basically Boyz is one of the traditional teams. Are you looking forward to see Boyz coming back to the Premier League?
Well, yes, it's a must. It's a must. You have a team to do it right now, and that is main focus.
Alright, and bless up, and hopefully to see you guys with a wonderful performance in the final. And bless up again, and good luck.
Alright, yeah, thanks.